A second income isn't luxury anymore, it's peace of mind. Let's be honest, life is getting expensive. Groceries cost more, fuel keeps rising, bills, they don't stop. And relying on one income in today's economy, that can be stressful. One unexpected expense, one company restructuring, one emergency, and suddenly everything feels uncertain. That's why more people are no longer chasing extra income just for nice things. They're building it for security, for freedom, for breathing room. And second income can mean less stress at month end, more control over your future, and the confidence of knowing you have options. Because peace of mind isn't about being rich, it's about knowing you are prepared. The world is changing, and having more than one stream of income may be one of the smartest decisions you can make. If you're ready to create more stability and peace of mind, maybe now is the time to start exploring new opportunities. Put a yes in my comments and I'll send you what I am doing and you can make a decision.